Assalamu alaikum, friends. This is Abdul Ghafoor with the Teaching and Learning. Today, I'm going to share you the information about the Earth planet, which is not really a geography lesson, but this is about the facts that everybody can having a question about. I wrote a question: what are the problems on the Earth planet? But I disagree with this question. Instead of what are the problems, I want to write what is the problem. I googled with the same question and Google answered me like this. You can see on a screen what Google exactly so give me the answer for that. What are the problems? Several problems you can see here: human, marine, global, environmental, social, climate. Billions of the problems you will see. But these billions of the problems, where's the solution? We know the problems, where's the solution? Really these are the problems? I don't think so. Let's see further more problems on it. I'll be sharing you some screen. Is this a problem? Think about all these. Think about every image. Are really these problems? I do believe, but still, we need to think out of the box. That's not enough. Every day we face all these situations. Somewhere on the planet. With somebody. But still, there's a question mark. Solution. If it is a problem, and you know that, then we must find a solution. We spend thousands, billions dollars to plan, to set the goals, to get out from the situation, to tackle the situation. Then why these are happening again and again? So I'm going to share you with a really important thing. But honestly, the planet is burning. It needs rest. I think we are getting late now. So, as a human, we have to think about it. Instead of getting late, it's better to, stop and find a solution for that. But still, the point is that what are the problems? Is this enough? Of course not. This is not enough. Keep one thing in your mind. The word cycle, that means from where you start, you have to come there. If you start from zero, you have to come zero. Our life starts from zero and it ends with a zero. You didn't bring something. You don't have a right to take something. This is the whole truth. So between that life span, what we do, is it useful? For whom we are doing? For ourselves? Evaluate, identify how exactly we are doing, what exactly we are doing. I must say, in some countries, if you're gonna if you're gonna murder somebody, think about it. For what? Just for little amount of money, few dollars, few rupees. But think how a mother kept her baby in her belly for 9 months with all pains. She sacrificed, or her parents sacrificed, for his or her education. Grown up, they dreamed out. They feed him for 20, 25 years. And suddenly somebody came and just for a few bucks and rupees, he killed him. Sometimes it's very common for mobile, sometimes money, sometimes for car. For what is the worth of that? Is it really worth? This is the goal? No, but that's the problem. How a human can do that? I think as a human, it's the best creation of the God. And it has, all authorities over the nature. This is the only creation that has no restrictions on it. Except as a human being, we identify ourselves, not differentiate between right and wrong. Otherwise, an animal, a dog has I think is more sensible than a human. They can easily decide it, okay, what to do, what not to do. Just throw in front of him, either he want to eat or not. So, how these things, are happening? This is the really question mark. The hunger, poverty, population, environmental problems, crime, murder, rape, and all these things. What is the reason behind it? Who is behind it? Human. This is called of the civilization is a building, religion, culture, and all these things, then what about the actions? Of the problems on the planet, what is happening on the planet, it's all about the man. It's for the man and by the man. So instead of cursing someone else, okay, instead of, we have to evaluate and teach ourselves and stop all these the actions which is really harmful to our society and harmful to each other and harmful for the planet. So we don't have to explore much. We have to explore ourselves. I have to teach myself instead of teaching others. So I have to start from myself. What actions are the problematic? I have to suddenly stop. So friend, there are not much problems. There's the only problem that's human on the planet. And human actions are destroying this planet. So I do believe that, think about that. Instead of teaching others, let's teach ourselves first. And avoiding all these actions which is really harmful for the human and this planet. I'm sure you like this video. If you have any question, you can comment in the comment box, and your suggestions will be highly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe to Teaching and Learning. We'll be meeting with a new inspirational topic with a new theme. Thank you so much. Stay blessed and stay free.